In this video, I'll teach you how to automatically adjust column widths in Excel using VBA. So the steps are fairly simple. The first step is to make sure that your Excel workbook is saved as a macro-enabled workbook, XLSM. Then make sure the developer is active in the ribbon. You don't know how to do that. You have to go to File, Options, Customize ribbon, and make sure this developer box is checked. The next step is to right-click on the tab to which you want to apply the column width auto-fitting. So I'll right-click, and then we have to click on View Code. So left-click on View Code. This page pops up. Make sure to change this drop box from General to Worksheet. This piece of code over here appears. Now all you need to do here is to add a very simple line of code right over here where the cursor automatically lands. So that piece of code is currently displayed on the screen, and it's as follows. Columns, and then indicate your range within double quotation. So let's say, for the sake of this example, I want to apply the auto fitting to the A to H range. That is starting in column A and ending in column H. So this is how we indicate that inside double quotations and closing parentheses. And immediately after that, we have to put dot auto fit as so. Then we have to click on the save button as so, and we have to X out of this. Okay, so it's all done. Now let's test this out, see if it's taken effect correctly. So I'm going to just enter a column name here. Then I'll click on enter. There you go. You can see that the auto fit was automatically applied. Do another one. There we go. You can see the width of the columns are being expanded as I input the header names here. And this applies to anything within the range that we specified, that is within the A through H range. So you can see all of these are being automatically auto-fitted. Now, just as an example, let's go ahead and apply this to something outside of that range. So I'm going to enter a value in column K. It could be any row in column K, say cell K1. As you can see, the auto-fitting was not applied. Now, to auto-fit this, I have to do it manually, but within the A through H range, whatever value we enter, the width will be automatically auto-fitted due to the VBA code that we applied. I hope you found this video useful and got some value out of it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and also turn on notifications so you won't miss out on future videos. See you soon.